Hey guys, I'm back again. I've been meaning to do this. My wheatgrass has been overgrown. So I should have done this earlier when I was juicing. I should probably rinse this off first, don't you think? Let's dump it in here, rinse it off because this is my backyard. And who knows what could be in it. So we're gonna rinse it, make sure what we have is actually wheatgrass. And then I'm going to just kind of do the quick juice and strain method in the blender. So I've done this once before. I've been growing this mainly for the guinea pigs, but now I'm like, well, I mean, it is organic and I'm growing it. I mean, I don't know how great the soil is back here, but it's mostly soil that I've added, so I know it's pretty good. And so this will be fun, just to show you guys what I do here. And again, this is the only method I've used. I haven't actually juiced it. I'm not sure. This is quite a bit, so I'll probably save some for tomorrow. I'm just going to blend it up with some water added, so it will be kind of diluted, which I think is really good if you're new to drinking wheatgrass, because it can be pretty potent and powerful. And some people will say, you know, it kind of makes them feel a little bit nauseous and stuff if you kind of can't handle it. So, got a little weed here. So again, you know, this is pennies on the dollar. You get a wheatgrass shot in your stuff at a health food store, you're gonna pay dearly. And so really, the water kind of helps dilute it, but it also just helps to, if you're doing it this way, helps to be able to blend it up just like any kind of a smoothie. Okay, so you need a good little strainer here. Just use this. Get a nice little cup. I'm not sure how much. Actually, I'm going to use my wider mouther. Look how green this is. It's just such a great color. You get so much great oxygen and chlorophyll from this. Try not to spill it all over whenever the sure there's a better way to do this. Probably in a bowl. How about a bowl? Smells so fresh, you know, just like cutting your lawn. It smells literally like that. So this way we'll be able to do it faster. So, and again, the great thing about this is this would be great for compost. I'm just kind of pushing it down to make sure the juice gets out of there. Yummy. Okay, push it down. And you know, you could even just blend this up a couple of times, but I'm gonna see if my guinea pigs will eat this. This is really fun, actually. Now I have this wonderful bowl. I mean, this is a lot of, again, it's not like a huge amount of straight wheatgrass juice. Look at this little pellet. It's literally like lawn clippings. And you know, if you were starving, people always say, well, grass is indigestible. Well, you know, the fiber in it is, but that doesn't mean you wouldn't get nutrients from it. So I'm just going to continue doing this. I'm actually going to have quite a bit here. I'm going to get out my little dealy bopper here. Pour. Doesn't really help because that's not much bigger than the actual bowl. So yeah, I'm going to have some of this tonight and some of this tomorrow, and then who knows, I'm actually feeling like this is just such a great method. I'm going to start doing this in my juicer as well, because it grows so fast, it grows so easy. It's the easiest sprout to sprout. I start them off usually in these, just like this, and so this is what you would make, you know, this real short little sprouts. You would make put it in your Essene bread, and then when it's longer, you can use for juicing and stuff. So I really wanted to do Essene bread today too, but I just didn't even get to it. I just remembered this. So anyway, I'm going to finish this up and I will talk to you guys later. Show you guys how much they love this. Look at them chowing down on that wheatgrass. I just had some in this bowl. Gone. Cute, huh?